9 ways to make money while you sleep. It's your neighbor, who started selling homemade foods 5 years ago and now have kiosks in Manila. It's your colleague who funded his kids' insurance by hawking chicharon at work. Your aunt who leases her backyard for parking space. Your grandma who bought a piece of land in Cebu, to lease to farmers and fishermen. These folks have it all figured out. They are the John and Jane Does of the world who can confidently say they can quit their jobs today and still have income to support their needs and then some. Forget about counting sheep. This list can earn you money even while you sleep. For more useful topics, kindly click subscribe and don't forget to smash the bell button for more updates in the future. Number 1. Rental properties. Real estate has long been the source of passive income for ages. Investors and owners have opted to rent out homes, apartments, condos and office space to generate a healthy monthly revenue. Clearly, real estate is a great source for generating automatic income, but it also requires a sizable upfront investment. If you have extra cash lying around, you can certainly opt to invest in some real estate. You can purchase real estate to rent out to long-term tenants, or you can try your hand at vacation rentals through sites like Airbnb or VRBO. Either way you look at it, this is a great passive income idea if you have the cash lying around. Number 2. Dividend investing. Buy dividend stocks. With this strategy, your goal is to pick and invest in stocks that yield dividends. Dividends are money that shareholders, you, receive from the company for investing in them. Think of it like a little cash reward. There are potential gains involved if you choose to reinvest dividends over the years. Compound interest works wonders, which can result to you ending up with more shares. More shares equals more money. Number 3. High-yield savings accounts. Putting money in the bank is perhaps the easiest way of saving and growing it. Note though that grow might not be the best word to use if we're discussing actual performance. Let's face it, banks in general yield less than satisfying output for you money. What to do? Answer: research. Before putting your hard-earned money in the bank, it's a good idea to exert effort in finding which one suits you best, not only in terms of convenience but also based on interest rates. Check out their websites, ask for brochures, talk to reps, and compare their packages. It's an easy way to ensure better returns for your money. Number 4. Royalties. For artwork and photographs. Got good eye in taking photos? Instead of locking them up in your hard drive, why not earn from it? You don't have to be a professional photographer to sell your photos. Online services like Shutterstock and iStock allows you to upload your photos and get paid in royalties for each download. For audio and sound effects, the same can be done with audio. By licensing your music, you can upload it to online services, like Spotify, and get paid whenever it gets listened to or downloaded. As for sound effects, you can sell your premium copies to sites like Bond5. For video footage, Bond5 also allows video content creators to earn money from their works by making it available to filmmakers, as well as digital and traditional advertising agencies looking for footages they can use. Number 5. Start a blog. Blogs can generate a tremendous amount of income, but not quickly. If you plan to start a blog, understand that it's going to take a vast amount of work and time to succeed. Regardless of your niche, as long as you have a clear understanding of things like searching engine optimization, social media marketing and the ability to write high-value content, then you will succeed with a blog. Once your blog becomes popular, it provides you with the platform and audience to generate multiple streams of revenue by marketing relevant products and services to your visitors. Number 6. Write an ebook. Writing an ebook is very popular among bloggers, as many have noted that it's just a bunch of blog posts put together. You will not only have to make an investment of time and energy to create the ebook, but marketed correctly. However, if marketed correctly, through blogging affiliates in your niche, for example, you could have residual sales that last a very long time. Number 7. Develop a smartphone app. Okay. I know it's not easy to develop a smartphone app. You either need a lot of skill or a bit of money to get someone to make your vision into a reality, but it is still possible. While the overnight gold rush to app riches might be over, you can still earn a respectable income if you develop the right app. If you can create the next tuber, then great. If not, you can opt for some niche app that will help to solve a problem or fill a need that might not have yet been properly covered. Think you can do something better? Why not give it a shot? If you're at all technical and understand the dynamics of business and smartphone applications, this is definitely worth your while. Number 8. Make YouTube video tutorials. YouTube is a great resource for earning a large stream of passive income. While it's not easy, and it will effectively take millions upon millions of views to earn some semblance of a real income from this stream, YouTube does offer a very cost-effective avenue to market. Research what the most popular YouTubers are doing. Seek out successful people and try to replicate their formulas while being unique. Number 9. Make your car work for you. Another daily activity you can turn into passive income is driving. If you're already driving around to run errands, why not pick up a passenger or two? Driving your car with Uber will help you make money by driving people to their assigned destination. You can also place advertisements on your car to earn money while you're driving around. For our summary: 9 ways to make money while you sleep. Number 1. Rental properties. Number 2. Buy dividend stocks. Number 3. High-yield savings accounts. Number 4. Royalties. Number 5. Start a blog. Number 6. Write and publish an ebook. Number 7. Develop a smartphone app. Number 8. Make YouTube video tutorials. Number 9. Make your car work for you. I hope you can find at least one of these ideas intriguing enough to give it a try. Do your homework, learn what you need to know, and give it a try. You just might be the talk of the town because you'll be making money while everyone else is breaking their back. Do you know of other money tricks that work for you like a dream? Tell us in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a like and help your friends up by sharing with them. Be sure to subscribe to our channel where life is always better with mharVelouz.